Nobody can manifest for you, love. Let's clarify the BS. I know that we're stuck in pain. We look for alternatives to get out of that pain as soon as possible. And we might see advertisements of people saying, I can do a spell or something to get you back, your ex back. And it's very, very tempting. But the reason for this is that there's a misconception about what manifestation truly is. Manifestation simply means creating from your belief system, creating your reality based on the beliefs that you currently hold. Whatever you believe about money is being manifested in your bank account. Whatever you believe about love is being manifested in your relationship. Whose belief system is creating the reality? Yours and only yours. You are the only one that can create in your reality. You are the only one that can manifest in your reality because you get to choose your beliefs. And it's extremely important that you learn to manifest the right way, that you learn to choose the beliefs that are going to support you in creating the reality that you want. Because when you think about it, all these beliefs that are running in the back of our minds that were created due to many difficult life experiences are currently affecting your creation, your manifestation. So if you were thinking, as clients were, he's going to leave me, he doesn't want me, there's someone else, at some point that can turn into a manifestation. And then you realize, I manifested this breakup. And that's when it hits us that we need to start shifting that out of that belief system and into a belief system that supports you in creating the love, the abundance, the health, the joy, the happiness that you deserve. Stop giving credit to other people for creating your realities. You and only you are the one that is responsible for having created what you're currently living. And that's not a bad thing. This is not something to put blame on. This is a great thing. If I created this and I don't like it, it's in my hands to create that. And that is exactly what I help you do. If you're not sure how to do that, then you can look through the 30-day sequence to learn more about how manifestation actually works. And stay tuned for a very special masterclass that's going to be advertised in my link in a few days, where we will be diving deep into the beliefs that created the breakup and how to shift out of that reality and into creating the soulmate love that you deserve. You can shift this.